So I call the make man say whenever I will get to Nigeria, I will do all the vlogging and all the this and all the that. Okay, now I'm in Nigeria. Now bring phone, come at me, you vlog. I don't know what's my problem. It's like I all forgot what I said I was going to do. Okay, I got to Nigeria now. Okay, now make I start to do vlogging. It be like I dey hide phone for inside bag. So on this day, I decided to bring the phone at small. Make I just see video. Because anytime you just hold camera in the market, everybody will just be looking at you. Like seriously, I was like, I'm not shaming shy because when they are even staring at me, it's like, what was this?
How much I leave? How much is our last?
So I decided to buy pumpkin leaf. She said the leaf is 3 for 500, and I asked her to slice it because on this day I was planning to cook jollof rice and soup, egusi soup. Yes. So see the way she's just slicing it like the expert that she is, because I don't want to get home and start slicing and all that. So she just helped me to slice it and she packaged it, and I have to just give her the 500 naira. The leaf was very very cheap, and at the same time it was fresh. So I was just throwing down to see if I will see plantain and all that.
Good morning, ma. Yeah, good morning. How much of plantain? Where you buy some of the ground? How much last? This right now. How much was this one last?
Give me 6,000.
This one? How much?
Give me 6,000.
You know said Siri, how much last?
So for the plantain, she said 6,000 naira, and I priced it 3,000. Yes, I have to price. So she later sold the plantain for 4,000 naira. The plantain was very very cheap because I actually went in the morning. This price of this plantain is very very okay. Let me know in the comment section. So from there, I went to the supermarket to buy some spices and some things I'll be using to cook the jollof rice. So this is me. I'm just trying to fry my onions to make it translucent, and I added tomato paste to it. So this is the meat I'll be using. I'm trying to defrost the meat, and later on I just steamed the tomatoes and added my tomatoes mix and everything, and I start to stir it. Even if I'm just forgetting to vlog, me that was making mad that now, so I go the vlog up and down. Okay, well, this is the meat I'll be using to cook the jollof rice and the soup. And could you believe that at the end of this video I just forgot completely to vlog about the soup? Hey, vlogging at your mate, this is me. I was even tired of me. I was wondering, is this the plan? Is this what I said I'm going to do? But this at this point the meat is already cooked. I'm just trying to steam it and separate it for the soup and for the jollof rice. So I transferred everything to this tray and later separated them for the soup and for the jollof rice. So at this point I was just trying to add my washed rice to the tomatoes mix I'll be frying for a while. So I just mix everything very well together to incorporate well. While the rice was cooking, in the other part of my stove I was just frying it. So this is the end result of the jollof rice. I forgot to film the soup totally. I just forgot.